All right, on number 11, you're going to create a formula within your spreadsheet to mathematically determine the center of the launch. So rather than just having a giant circle around the data set and estimating the center, this time we're going to use it or do it mathematically. Okay, so for whichever team you chose to do, not team one, I'm going to show you with team one here, but you need to go back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Okay, to this guy. Open that guy up. Find your data set. Maybe you have your data set saved from yesterday. Mine's team one. All right. And you're going to go ahead and make a copy again. If you have yesterday's, open yesterday's up. It'll probably make things a little easier. All right. Now, one thing I'm missing here is my distance formula information down this side. If you want, you can go back real quick and hold on. Wait for it. Wait for it. All right. Go down to, I'll find it. Here, where we have this distance formula. And you see that plus there? Go ahead and copy that formula back in. That's the distance formula there. Copy it back into the spreadsheet. Oh, that's not it. Oh my goodness. That's not it. There we go. So we're going to paste that guy right there. And we're going to grab that corner there, the bottom right corner, drag it down, and there's all our distances. Those will come in important in a minute. So to find the center of the circle, I'm going to go ahead and type in center of circle. All right, that was good fun. Now, to find the center of the circle, basically we need the average of our x values, which is that first column, and the average of the y values, which is the second column. So for this first box here, we're going to put equals, and it actually already has that option. That's the average of A2 through A26, which is all of my x coordinate points. I'm going to go ahead and click that guy, hit enter, and boom. It gave me the x value for the center of my circle. Now I'm going to go over here to underneath the y and hit equals. And then wait, look. It's not this one, but for me, it might be different for you. It's this one that gives me the average of all the y's. I'm going to click boom, hit enter, and it gives me the average of all the y values. Now, I need the distance from that center to the origin. And that's what this guy was calculating over here, this distance formula we were using before. Okay, it was calculating the distance from the coordinate over here to the center or the origin of the graph. So if I drag this guy down, we're going to cheat a little. It's going to calculate that value. Now these two aren't important. We're just going to go ahead and go delete, like those never existed there. Okay, this is our error. Okay, and notice my center of my circle was actually not the same as the center of the circle from before. Okay, this is actually doing it mathematically with the mean, and you can kind of answer why those two would be different. All right, and then this one, the error is also different. All right, but you're going to go ahead and tell me what that means in a minute on your own. So at this point, I want you guys to go back down to number 11. Okay, your calculated error. Nope, wait. Oh, yes. So within your spreadsheet, I want you guys to record the calculated error and that spreadsheet actually in your engineering notebook. So what I want you to do on this engineering notebook, or to get this in your engineering notebook, is you can either zoom out a little bit so that you can fit the whole thing in, whatever makes it fit. 75 is good. And you can do a screenshot of that and put it in your engineering notebook, and then go back to number 11, wherever that is. I got too many tabs open, sorry. And you're going to record for number 11, you're going to record that spreadsheet. For number 12, you're going to go ahead and just put down that recorded error value. And then I want you to reflect in your engineering notebook, compare the measured device error to the calculated error. Why do you think there's a difference? So that error that I got before using the distance formula based off just the graph and the circle around the graph, and the error that I got from the spreadsheet. Why do you think those are different? That's what I want you to answer for number 12 in your engineering notebook. Number 13 we're actually going to skip, and then I'm going to make you a separate video here to start on the quantify precision.